everyone, this is Maggie. In our last few videos, we showed you how to debug the splice modules with the 3 main control systems. Today, we are covering the HUIDU system. Compared with the other 3, HUIDU system is more automatic and easier to use. So let's get started. The modules used are standard P2.5 modules. The receiving card used is HDR712. This card is equipped with 12 HUB75 interfaces, each containing 2 sets of data groups. There are 24 data groups in total. First, please connect your device properly. Connect your computer to the sending box Wi-Fi. Open HD player. You can check here that the device is connected properly. Enter hardware setting, password 168. Enter screen configuration. Enter the receiver card parameters interface. Import the configuration file of a single module. Then send. Now start assembling the modules. 6 modules are used for this demonstration, arranged in 2 modules wide and 3 modules high. Our screen is 2 modules wide, so we'll select 2 separate here. Change this to the actual pixels of the entire cabinet. Check the corresponding hub type and send. We can observe that the cabinet display is abnormal. This is because the connection settings are wrong. Enter the actual pixel values in the box information section. Then send. The cabinet is displaying correctly now. HUIDU system will automatically detect which interface of the receiving card are in use and sort the data groups in sequence. So if you connect the modules to the receiving card in the correct order, you won't need to perform the data exchange operation manually. If your connection is not in the correct order, you can also manually swap the data groups to get the cabinet to display normally. Assume receiving card interface 6 is damaged. Move the last module to interface 7. Module display abnormal after the interface switch. Now the 6th module is connected to the hub port 7, so we set the order to the 13 and 14 for serial number 11 and 12 here. The original order numbers 13 and 14 will be automatically changed to 11 and 12. Then click OK and send. The cabinet displays normally now. You can switch any port as well. Just change it to the corresponding data group's number here in Data Groups Exchange. That's the whole series for our guide on how to debug LED modules after splicing via the data exchange function. Hope this helps with your LED project. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.